All right, in the last video, I did that example problem, and now I'm going to work on the triads. But before I work on the triads, well, actually, I'm going to talk about them. So you've got 6 plus 2 to the 4th power minus 1. And the second triad is 16 plus 5 to the 2nd power minus 7. Okay, take a minute, pause this video, do those practice problems. Okay. You should be coming back in about 30 seconds. But for now, on the left, notice I've written the refresh just like I did up above. I wrote steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 so that I can check them off as I go. All right, you should be back. I'm going to solve the first one with green. Because you've already done it, I'm just going to go through it as quickly as I can. So I check, are there any grouping brackets? No, so I'm done with that one. Are there any exponents? Absolutely, 2 to the 4th is an exponent, which means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And I'm not all the way done with it, so I'm going to just rewrite everything else in the expression. I have a 6 plus and a minus 1. Okay, make sure that it's in the same order as it was originally. Okay, I'm going to finish up this exponent. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, so this is 16. And it becomes 6 plus 16 minus 1. Done with the exponents. There's no multiplication or division, but there is addition and subtraction from left to right. So 6 plus 16 is 22, and 22 minus 1 is 21. So if you got 21, give yourself a nice, beautiful star for that. Awesome job. If you didn't, check the steps I went through and make sure that yours align. Okay. All right, let's do the second one. I'm going to do this one in purple. So same idea. We're going to go through the steps. Start with 16 plus 5 squared minus 7. So are there any brackets or grouping symbols? Heck yeah, they are. Look, right here. Okay, so inside that, I need to deal with what's inside. I've got a squared and I've got a subtraction. So when I look at my order of operations, I know things to an exponent come before things that are subtracted. So I need to do this 5 squared first. 5 squared is 5 times 5. And just like I did in the example, I'm going to just rewrite everything because I don't want to forget anything. Okay? Not done with the exponent yet. 5 times 5 is 25 minus 7. And then keep the parentheses because I haven't finished everything inside the parentheses yet. All right, now I've got one last operation inside the parentheses, which is 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is 18. And now the parentheses can drop because I've done everything inside them. And I get 16 plus 18. All right, so I am done with this. I'm done with this. I didn't have any multiplication or division. Now it's time for that addition. 16 plus 18, which is 34. Yay! If you got 34, make sure you give yourself a nice, beautiful star. Awesome job. If you didn't, check the steps and fix what you have. That's why we have erasers. Good job, you guys.